Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a great freedom fighter and a great politician of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, known as Iron Man of India, he was born on 31st October 1875 in Gujarat. The full name of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was Sardar Bhai Janver Bhai Patel. His father's name was Janver Bhai Patel, who was a farmer, and his mother's name was Ladba Devi, who was a housewife. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a very hard-working individual from his childhood. He studied in various schools and colleges of Gujarat. Patel went to England to further study and became a barrister. Returning to India, he started law. He was a successful lawyer. He always wanted to do something for the country. Then he devoted himself into India's independence movement. He took active part in the struggle of India. He was a great freedom fighter. He was the first Home Minister of India and also the first Deputy Prime Minister. Sardar Patel was the first Commander-in-Chief of Indian Armed Forces and served as the same from 15th August 1947 to 15th December 1950. His statue in Gujarat, which is considered as the Statue of Unity and is the tallest statue in the world. Sardar Patel died on 15th December 1950 at the age of 75 years. Sardar Patel's birthday is celebrated as National Unity Day, which was started on 31st October 2014 by the Government of India in Delhi, which was inaugurated by the Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. Sardar Patel will ever be remembered for his all great works. The Statue of Unity is a statue of Indian statesman and independence activist Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It is built as a memorial to the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It is located in the state of India. It is world's tallest statue with a height of 182 meters 597 feet, which was inaugurated on October 31st, 2018 by the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 143rd anniversary of Patel's birth.